Sabihin mo lang na
Right. Butanin ko yung gate. Yeah. Hindi ko.
Oy, 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 dito, dito.
Ito yung kinuha namin. Surrender this ticket upon exit.
Yeah, patarlak.
Oo, Patarlac.
Sita.
Galing na tayong Tarlac eh.
Ba't tayo dilibrad nga sipiat kag isa sipiat kag isa likuan mo. Pwede ka di mong lisura makabalik na.
Kasi ang nakikita ko ang pangit na mukha ng ano.
Doon istoy.
Doon is Toy TV, doon is Toy Pinoy Show. Muna siya. Of other ways.
Sa daranan.
May nagbanggaan na. Sa daraanan.
Kaya pala traffic. There is a crash in 550 meters.
Crash yun. Na mali ang aeroplano average niya kung tupahanan.
Sa pulis yun ba yan? It is not airplane. You know what? There is a traffic ahead because of some accident happened here. And this is the reason why we got a traffic, but it's minor, so we are really thankful enough.
Too dead.
There's no problem about having a long trip because there is a lot of stopovers, like you are going to pee or you're going to eat or anything like your fuel consumption. Another stopover here. This is the fare. That is our origin. We paid about 510 only. Salamat po. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Saan man po kayo ngayon. Muling nagbabalik po ang inyong Don Istoy TV. What we're going to do today is that I'm going to share it to you our expedition in Luzon. Particularly, dumaan po kami ng North Luzon Expressway. Kung kayo man po ay hindi pa pagbiyahe ng Luzon or nagkaroon man po kayo ng chance na bumiyahe ng Luzon and then fortunately nakadaan po kayo ng North Luzon Expressway. Ito po ang aming isi-share sa inyo. Ang biyahe namin from Tarlac to Quezon City gamit po ang Luzon Expressway. Mahaba-habang biyahe po yan. So I'll share it to you upang ikaw ay may idea kung kayo man po ay magawi sa Luzon, North Luzon Expressway. Yung magkano ho ba, how much is you're going to pay for the toll, what are you going to do, what is the right way, mga tips ho yan, ano po yung mga dadaanan ninyo, mga right way upang ikaw ay makapaglakbay sa North Luzon Expressway. Lahat po yan ay isi-share po namin sa inyo sa video na ito. Kaya lang, before that, syempre, pahingi naman dyan ng subscribe at pakihit na rin yung notification bell upang ikaw ay maging bahagi sa lahat ng biyahe at adventure ho namin. Okay? So, without further ado, let's do it. Tara, biyahe na tayo.
Wait, wala tayo wait.
Okay.
Sorry,
Sabihin mo lang na kas tayo.
Pas tayo.
Ba?
Pagi.
Okay, kukuha ko.
Nakabutan yung gate. Yeah. Hindi ko.
Oy, 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 dito, dito.
Alright, here we go.
Usda kanta di mo nang
Go.
tao ni.
Ito magbabayad tayo. Surrender natin ito. Doon tayo magbayad. So ito yung kinuha namin. Surrender this ticket upon exit. And next tayo.
Hanggang Subic Clark Tarlac Expressway, SCTEX, Southbound Ramp. Manatili sa kaliwa hanggang Subic Clark Tarlac
Subay gyud ano, kay Patarlac man.
Straight lang, straight.
Ha?
Straight lang.
Straight
Oh.
ah.
Manila oh. Ito Manila.
Di ha Patarlac.
Oh, Patarlac.
Straight ta.
Galing na tayong Tarlac eh.
Gusto mo bumalik. Tama ba ni?
Tama. Oh.
Lagi na. Ay, batay dito kay musik. Kaya na. Balik ito sa akin. Maugid lagi na. Dapat
Dako.
gamay sipyat. Adi, balik na sa akin.
Malilisan tayo sa kalilibog nito.
Istorya gani ni sa didok ganing kung ba't tayo dilibrad nga sipyat kag isa sipyat kag isa likuan nimo pwede gani mong lisura makabalik na nagtuyok nyo ka ano na
Oo, ano ni? Si Texan Ramp. Okay, yan na. RFID is when you're going to purchase and you're going to enter any amount of money or balances, so that whenever you will enter expressway and exit, if you are going to utilize the expressway, so it is scanned directly, so you can pay directly to the toll gate. All right,
ako pang area ni no
since today we don't have that yet because we are not frequently using this expressway, so we are going only to pay it in cash. Okay, ang lawak ng area dito, ano, yan, kikita niyo yung mountain ba yun doon? Tawag ng mountain na yan, Mount Bulusan, I don't know, kasi ang nakikita ko ang pangit na mukha ng ano. Check your time right now, pieces. We got 2:46 and formally we are now entering the expressway. We're heading to Manila. Okay. We're going now to exit the, we are using this one to be able to enter into Inlex and exit EasyTex, right? The South Subic Tarlac Expressway, right? And we're going to enter in North Luzon Expressway. That's going to be Inlex, right? So happy trip.
ano area sa gobyerno pagyapon din wala tao nang nag-iya ani kay naapa
Lugay na ni Maisan.
ganugo likod
Lugay na ni Humayan.
tam na na rin wa kita giya ani muon jud yung kalsada gyapon ni River.
I don't know.
Muon gyapon yung mga express ba yan eh. Kaya oo, wag ka balay-balay ba?
Again. Good.
Ambulan nga po kay.
Susunod.
Okay.
Tanaw ka ba? Pasay
6
ko.
kilometers to
Pasay ko na.
Inlex. Yes.
Na yung mga inunan ng katulabang ang ginugian ko na. Nag-video ka, mag-English ka.
Kung lagi ito yung mamalagi, para makita niya ito ang mga lakaw.
Ay, paala na ko. Pasok sa lagi na.
Doon is ito Pinoy show.
Okay. Opa, sige na eh.
Pati ito itong mga, mga sapata. No, kay kanang hinay.
Again. 280.
March.
Iso ka ba yan? Right?
Pwede mo itong signal siguro din.
Oo. Clark North, 1 kilometer. except to overtake. Clark North. Magani na. Nana sila highway patrol.
Kita na sa CCTV.
Ah, ito. Babae. Baka
Asa ta dito lang.
Oh, dito straight lang. Clark North man na.
North. Katong ato geto ana. North. North ba to dito? Luzon.
North Luzon man kita. Tanan.
Gikan.
Oh, South Luzon is katong sa ano, sa may Calamba na Laguna.
Mao na ni pa south ta.
Oh, katulong tag South.
O amo gayto Luzon. Kailangan. Istorya min dito ako sa Kingdom nga i-subscribe ni mo tanawa diya sa YouTube Ryan Daniels. Awa diya.
Ryan din taka lang tayo.
Someday.
Doon is toy.
Basta libugan din mo.
Kanang Ryan Daniels, sa mga kanta-kanta ko na nandun is toy.
Doon istoy.
Doon is toy TV, doon is toy Pinoy Show. Na, muna siya.
Doon istoy.
I thought there is no traffic here in Expressway. But as you can see here, as per notice,
Ginwali kayo niya. Parang nga yung unong pugutan ang pagdaan nila.
how many times that I pass this way, but this is gonna be the time. It's only time I observe there is a traffic right here. Maybe we are approaching another toll gate. Not yet. We're still here in Mabalacat, Pampanga. So, not yet. Oh. Not approaching right there. Keep right, Brian. There is a traffic. Meron pa rin traffic dito sa expressway. I just thought there is no traffic anymore. Going to another structure, Brian. Oh, nagawa pa sila ng other passage.
Statue.
Oh, viaduct yan. Yan yung mga magagawa sila ng mga construction of other ways.
Ibandaan sa daranan.
May
Ano to?
nagbanggaan na. Sa daraanan.
Mayroon to, cross in 570 meters. Ah, kaya pala traffic. Oh. There is a cross in 550 meters.
Crash yun. Na mali ang aeroplano. Abi niya upupahanan nila.
There is a collision, Brian. It is not airplane. You know what? There is a traffic ahead because of some accident happened here. That's why I just thought that the expressway has no traffic at all. But right now, because of we got heavy traffic here because of some collision, and we don't know yet. It says here 500 meters, so cross in 450 meters. Okay, there is an accident here. I just hope that it is not really brutal, or it's not really hard accident. It's a big accident, right? The airplane is just about to take off in Mabalacat. See that? got here? Heavy traffic ahead. It says here there is a
The airplane.
cross in 310 meters right there.
The airplane is taking, not take off. Take off.
Inlex is 1 kilometer ahead. See that? Ayan.
Oh, kita po. Oh,
Ayan, pag-video sa kuwan lang ka magmumha.
picture.
Oh my God.
May picturean mo diya nga.
Ang NLEX ba? Ang agi doon ang NLEX.
Hindi gyapon na nimo makuha na picture kay wala man ganito.
Wala po. Basta picture niyo. Mga mo ni siya. Agian mo.
Ano mo gani? Ako ang hatagan ng tikana. Pero bahala na. Drive carefully.
Balik mo ng imong mga sabi ako. Take off. Bago ka take in.
Wag yung gawd.
Mali ang mga English yung take in. Take off. Take off. Matungpa ang take off. Take in.
Sa mo ka di ataba ni. Bubusupak yun. Traffic here. So that's why we got some delay right here.
My God.
Don't let them insert. Bayan,
Truck.
that big truck.
Ayun pa. Isudlan na na.
Oh my God. Oh my
Ang
God.
nasa tunga kita dire dapwinta agi ana mag nasa tunga ang disgrasya.
My God. We don't open.
Yes,
I just hope that this accident happened has no casualties or whatsoever. It's just a minor collision or something, right?
Don't open.
They're in the center. In Lixat,
center
Manila.
point.
In the center of the road. There is the collision.
Mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Next.
It is a minor accident only, Brian.
Kita.
It's only still there.
Can you see? It's a minor.
That one.
It's too dead.
This is the reason why we got a traffic, but it's minor, so we are really
Too
thankful
dead
enough.
only. Too dead.
We're really thankful enough. Okay. Just a minor accident right here is happening, so there's nothing to worry about it.
Gamitin ang daanan
Next
sa
500.
kanan upang lumabas sa kanan hanggang Iwan,
Pa-right ka, pa-right ka.
Luzon Expressway, NLEX, Exit.
Right, Brian.
Right ah.
Yes.
Bilae na yan. Right. Right.
Oy.
Ano? Right ah.
Oh yeah.
Lumabas sa kanan hanggang
Exit na.
Iwan, Mabalacat,
Yes.
North Luzon Expressway,
Exit.
NLEX, Exit.
Exit ah.
Yes. Inlex exit. That's one.
Ay, lisuwa dito ng ulo dito. Haling pataka. Kung hinsulod na dito, asa man
Patay ka. Balik na bugag kuan. Ato kag New Bataan.
Palayo na no? Layo
Pag
ka.
Sambales na kapadulong.
Layo dito.
Alangan.
Yaw gid. Ikaw ko pagkahimo niya. Unsa jud ko ning dalana di. Ikaw pagkahimo pero di kumuagi di mo ni Manila.
Asam di kawagi.
Amo asubay ako sa kanang mga kay ani
Ubay,
ka
di ka maabot.
masipyat. Bahala na eh. Masipyat man ko ani. Ani walay nganani ako sa kyanan. Isud di agi di ay. Mas layo
Inlex South Manila Mabiga exit daw. Inlex straight ahead lang tayo.
Pagkaraan ng 200 metro. Gamitin ang dalawang
NLEX
daanan
South
sa kaliwa
Manila.
upang manatili
Straight
sa
ata.
kaliwa hanggang Iwan, Larkspur Road.
Street na ta.
Sa.
Manatili sa kaliwa hanggang Iwan, Larkspur Road, East.
Sige,
Straight
straight tayo, straight tayo.
Awa niya, tarong. Anas ko. Street na.
Iwan.
Tama na yun.
Tama mi.
Dumiretso lang ng
Bayan.
45 minuto hanggang North
Ang suot
Luzon
ka diya,
Expressway,
bayan.
NLEX, South Santa Rita Exit.
Tama ba eh?
Yes, tama. Nakita sa Tarita. Diya kita wala yan.
Diya sa pikas nakagita wala.
Nakita diya.
Diya pikas no.
Ah.
Agi po diya. Among diya ita niliko ato po.
Oh. Luzon Expressway.
Good. Mommy.
Parait tayo pa yan ah.
Ha?
Wow.
There ita.
Inlex. Yes, inlex na tayo. Di paspas kaya ang natraksi mo ng ikot.
Ala taxi or wala ko.
Ah, right ka.
Good.
Inlex, South Manila. Here. Igo ta sa paibot anak.
Oh,
Okay.
tama na.
Tama, tama.
Namili ko uno na.
Ahead pa na.
Oh my God.
Patrol car ahead. Ahead of the road. There's a lot of houses you can see here in this other side.
Nila na siguro ni.
Wala, Santa Rita. We're still here in Santa Rita.
Pero imong gi unsa ni balintawak.
No, lagi.
Baling gi tara.
Ay, kakaapoy. Balintawak lagi ta exit.
Oh my God. 7 and 8. I want 7 and 8. Oh my God.
North Luzon Expressway
That one.
is 45 kilometer.
Hello. Hello.
Dao, 800 meters.
500.
500 meters I mean.
Oh, dito lang ta.
It's straight lang.
Mexico Pampanga.
Dao.
It's a penguin.
Exit.
Expressway.
Penguin. Penguin.
Sa dami pag kita nga ito kayo pasigit ang nagkawa sa di ba daghan na itong violation na nila ng trabaho. Astilan na ipit kita. Pag kita nga ito ba?
Pagkuhan kang express, pagkuhan niya kanang lugar sa ka.
Ang sinugar pa na. Uta ka siya. Mo ba ipit kita.
Ang hilis ng parait.
Penguin. It's a penguin. It's a penguin. 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 It's a penguin. It's a penguin. 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 It's a penguin. It's a penguin.
Ang left side ani Brian is overtaking kung if you are going to overtake. Hindi ang left side diri kanina.
Kani.
Oh, kana tong way.
Overtake. Fastest man eh. Ano itong fastest lane?
Yeah, fastest lane.
Penguin.
You are not going to overtake, so therefore stay in the right lane.
Penguin. Penguin.
I'm in the right track.
Penguin. 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 Penguin.
Dodong, keep silent.
What?
Keep silent, you're so noisy. I'm taking a video.
Na, na, na.
What I said. Overtaking only. If you're going to pass by here in the expressway, or you can have also a stopover like that, Shell, and then you can also have your fuel 1 kilometer ahead, and there is also a fast food. It is really designed for vehicles for passers like us, so that if you felt like you are starving, then you can have a stopover right here. There are a lot of fast food restaurant like Jollibee, like anything. What are those fast foods? Yellow Cab, Max's Restaurant, Krispy Kreme, Chowking, Wendy's. Alright, food park. They call this a food park, right? There you have it, like that. And same also from the other side of this road. There is also a stopover like that. I can notice the stopover right here, the fast foods. 3 stopovers, like they also have a gasoline or a pee break if you wanted to have it. So they are also offering this one, so that this is gonna be a convenient, I guess, right here if you are passing by the expressway. Like that. Mexico, San Fernando and San Simon. This is 2 kilometers. San Fernando 9, San Simon is 18 kilometers. Okay, so ang haba po ng North Luzon Expressway. Mexico is 1 kilometer ahead. What is that? Sindalan Dalisdis Panlipuan, exit 72. What is this builders? Wow, what a beautiful structures right here. Is that a town or? I think it's not. I don't think. Just like a village. What is that? I don't know that structures right there. Mexico is in,
Mexico, Pampanga.
yeah, not Mexico, in South America.
Oh my god.
Oo, balito. 63 kilometers pa.
Okay, so Manila is 72, Balintawak is 63, and San Fernando is 7.
Diyan ka mo gawas,
So
Balintawak.
we're going to stop over in Balintawak, Quezon City, because our relatives right there
At
will
Quezon
have
City
to.
na lang, Balintawak. Ako na din na.
Okay, as I told you, the other side there is a stopover also. That is the Petron stopover. The other side is no, it's not
Dali.
Petron. It's Shell. I am home. Wow, the village is that. The house.
Wow,
ano yun?
pulo mo balay, di ba ito?
Yes, ako lagi. O, sa Davao na apod ni nga design. But I don't like that design because parang mga minions. I don't like my houses like the other houses also. So we're getting there because some of our drivers of our relatives should see us in Balintawak, so that gonna be going to accompany us going to the house of our relatives right there,
Our diesel
because we're going to visit there. All right. Our stopover is in Balintawak because the driver of our relatives right there will have to see us, so that he will accompany us going there in their house. Okay, so it might have another we might have another adventure or another places to visit with don't know yet. Well, abangan nyo po mga ka-subscribers. Still got here in North Luzon Expressway. We're heading to our way up there in Balintawak. Okay, so stick around for more. So what signage is that? San Fernando, San Simon, Pulilan, Bulacan. 22:11, 2 kilometers ang San Fernando. Alright. Heading the right way is 1 kilometer ahead. That is an exit to San Fernando. Okay,
We saw SM.
100 meters.
We saw the building with
San Fernando.
aeroplano in the top.
Bacolor Guagua. SM, and there's an SM right here. I think that's SM San Fernando, because we're passing right now to San Fernando. It's a big freeport. Okay, going to be keep right except to overtake. We're heading right away. San Fernando exit this way, that way. That is an exit. We're going to be to pay the card that we are taking while we enter the EasyTex. So
One time atong bayad yan.
Yes, one time.
Natay card.
if we're going to exit the inlets. Oh, big structure of condominium, I think, right here. Beautiful structure. It's like a skyscraper. So if you're going there, so we are not going to ask for any. Going to identify how long we have traveled, so we're being allocated for that, for how much amount we're going to pay. Yes, those speed, right? Right, Balintawak is 55, Manila is 64, San Jose at San Simon is 8 kilometer, right? That one is a stopover, as I mentioned earlier, that there are gonna be a lot of stopovers right here.
Relax na.
As I noticed, good stopovers, fast food outlets, gasoline station, and so that is gonna be for the convenience of the travelers like us. Alright, I noticed right here in NLEX, in this others, however, in this other side is 3 outlets or 3 stopovers I have noticed, also from the other side as well.
Santa Rita. Lagi pa kita Santa Rita. Bilyar.
Tawag pas kami.
Oh, number 10.
Ano okay?
10-9.
Heading to the right way, you're going to exit San Simon. Okay, so you're going to pay the card right there if you're going to exit in San Simon. So straight up ahead to Manila. Okay, there we have it. Balintawak is 47, 56 is Manila. There is another stopover in the other side of the road. That's total. If I observe, if there is stopover There is another gasoline station, another brand like Shell, Petron, or Total. In the Skyway, this one, and space available. This is the longest bridge in the Philippines. Imagine, bakit? Pag may hawak kang itlog dito, pagdating mo sa dulo, sa Pampanga, itlog mo ay naging ibon na. Bakit naging ibon na? Ang itlog mo, pag hawak mo dito ngayon, pagdating ng Pampanga, ibon na yan. Sipin mo gaano kalayo yun, gaano kahabang bridge yun. Kaya ito yung tinatawag lang pinakamahabang bridge. Kasi nga nung meron akong nakilalang talagang Kapampangan, ang sabi niya, ang tawag pala sa itlog nila ay ibon. Ibon pala sa Kapampangan ang itlog. Mga kalokohan eh. Break time muna for snack because our travel will be going to be a longer travel pa. Ang tambok ay gibuhat. Kaya itong kamera sa owner no kay doble ba? Kamerahan po ni mong diha.
Mahal.
Yeah, bago ko. Mahal ganin ako ang cellphone ako.
ASMR, I love ASMR.
Bukawi, Bulacan, Santa Rita, Ginto, Pulilan. Straight ahead, 1 kilometer is Pulilan. You're heading to the right way.
Where did you get those ships?
Pulilan is Bulacan. Yeah, Atigang. Want it? You want it? You have it.
I want it. I got it. I
Want
want
it?
it. I got it.
Want it? I got it. Atigang.
Ay, idol, bet na ako na si Ariana Grande. Kuya man yung gabi ko sige kalok ninyo.
Gani. Hubog na. Lain-lain gid ang mga trip basta mahubog na uban maghilak-hilak na puy uban magsigihalok. Uy panggapos.
Iwan ko. Kaya pag ikaw muhubog, kay sapa kayo.
Nihilo mo eh.
Napoy sa baan tayo, nakakagulog ba? Pikas barangay.
Ah, Brian na basta nga anak.
Natawa si kuya kay Abin man di ay.
Hindi oy, kuan na gani na.
Hum.
Di pa gani na siya hubog ana, pertin nang sa baa. What is that river? What's the name of that river?
Sige, sige. Ingat maya ni mo. Ano man to share? Ano ka brother?
Hey Brel, here's for you. Check your time right now, 38 past the hour of 2 o'clock right now. And we're closer to our destination right now because it's about 35 kilometer from here going to exit at Balintawak. Okay, so we just have a free ride right now. Not so hard, right?
On 200?
100 man.
Santa Rita ka. Iya mong kitang sa
Santa Rita, Giginto, 1 kilometer. And there Giginto, Tabang, Santa Rita, Plaridel.
Oh, it is far away.
All of that town is,
A million is
that
far
is already
away.
Bulacan.
Yes, very far away.
Bulacan is very wide place. Santa Rita, Giginto, 500 meters.
101.
Good.
And
They are overtaking each other
one is
because
not
there's
far
no
away.
cargo.
It's far away from Manila.
Yes.
Lumabas sa kanan hanggang North
One is
Luzon
not far away,
Expressway.
Ate
NLEX,
Audrey.
South Santa Rita exit.
It's far away.
Papalapit sa Tolbot.
About one. About two.
Malapit na tayo sa Tulbot, Brad.
One is far away.
Tulbot, 180, 160.
What? Do white.
Highlighted. TRT.
Kaya ito ang
Pagkaraan
tulbot.
ng 200 metro.
What do white?
Kumanan sa 1, BRT Highway. Kumanan sa 1, BRT Highway.
Kuwanan nga mo yung kay
Kumanan sa 1, BRT Highway.
Kanan, diri na ka sa
Kumanan sa 1, BRT Highway. Kumanan sa 1,
Pawi,
BRT
Balintawak, Manila,
Highway.
30.
Pagkaraan ng 200 metro.
Kumanan.
Tapos kumaliwa.
Sumbawas.
What? 1 million white.
Million light? 200.
200. Boy, that's a lie. And 0, 0, and 2 is
Dali lang kay inapak mo enter sa taning kuan exit. Straight lang, Brian. Aw. Wala. Shell man na, straight lang ka. There is another stopover right here. Yes.
Nawa pa lagi.
Nawa na lagi. Stopover mo na, oh.
Hindi. Signal. Nawa.
Ah, may signal.
Masig balik na dyan.
wala man. Sa ako.
Lalagi, oh.
Pabalik na.
Wala man sa ako.
Ligan mo kay
Hindi siguro Balintawak na yung mga dyan. Ang ngayon.
Pero delete address.
Santa Rita exit 4.8 kilometer.
Exit nila.
Exit tag Santa Rita.
Pagkaraan ng 4.8 kilometro.
See,
Lumabas hanggang North Luzon Expressway. NLEX, North Santa Rita exit.
North Santa Rita exit, ah.
Oh, matag na sa kain.
This is why in the TV.
I think we're having a heavy traffic right
Restart daw
now.
na day.
Look at the chocolate.
Ano restart kinana ta diri type ng restart mawala ang dugay kimbalik. Is there another accident here? Ayan na. Awiting maririnig. Lakas ba?
Tulbot ni. Tulbot.
Pasko yung
Pagkaraan ng 4.8 kilometro. Lumabas hanggang North Luzon Expressway. NLEX, North Santa Rita exit.
You like chocolate that you breathe?
Yes.
You like Oreo?
Pagkaraan ng 4.8 kilometro.
You like
Lumabas
chocolate?
hanggang North Luzon Expressway, NLEX, North Santa Rita exit.
Boy. Ayan. Hindi. Hindi siya magpa-overtake. At hindi siya magpa... Kuwan.
Chocolate again.
No overtaking on shoulder. Strikely Brian.
Oh, itong nag-straight next to ko. Straight to kita.
Happened here.
Ano eh?
Don't know what happened here. Oh, nag-signal po ng baso. Palepsy. So many vehicles right now. Po yung sitwasyon ngayon pagka nag-enter ka na po ng exit ka na ng North Luzon Expressway, medyo matraffic na po pa-exit ng Santa Rita. Yung meron na mga patrol nandun. Okay, so labanan nito is talagang traffic. Masikip na dito ngayon, even Sunday. Our time right now is 3:49. Haba-habang traffic pa po ito. Yan, yung other side na yan is maluwang naman. So here is very heavy. Traffic is so heavy in this part. Medyo matatagalan pa tayo bago tayo Tagalan pa tayo baka makapass by dito. Kasi napakasikip ng traffic dito ngayon.
Sado kayo ng L3.
Grabe, ang sikip pala ng traffic ngayon. Ayan, tingnan niyo po ito.
Dadong, can I have this one?
Sikip ng
I'll give
traffic,
you
ano?
chocolate.
Grabe.
Dili siya mag-bribe.
Mga ate, wala namin. May ice cream.
Mas mga
Tayo ang gina nilang makina.
Alright, there's an accident again. And it's all done being rescued by the patrol. Gotta be very active for rescuing this one.
There is a bildo in the...
There's his glasses. Collision. That's why nga pala nagkaroon ng heavy traffic dito agad ngayon.
That's why you go away.
That's why I go away. Alright.
Pagkaraan ng 4.9 kilometro. Lumabas hanggang North Luzon Expressway, NLEX, North Santa Rita exit.
ikaw pa dyan niya want to take for
You're dead.
Borol overpass. Okay. Patrol cars right here. This is intended for the expressway.
Ang metro.
They're gonna be the one rescuing,
Upang lumabas.
and also they are the one who is they're gonna be the one to take action whenever you have
Ang metro.
illegalities right here.
Okay.
Gagal ba tayo goes?
West Inlex Tabang Spur Road.
Kala ko sininti yun ay.
Kuya Ryan Patrick to, pamangkin Tita Selmin, dito ka na lang sa number ko mag-text. also emergency parking right here in this side. If you're going to pee or something like trouble in your car like this one, you have to be an emergency parking lanes right here.
The Adrian knows. I don't know.
Where you're looking?
For my food.
Where, yesterday?
Maybe you left it there.
What?
It's not really
One.
the reason why we got the traffic,
Didn't have it.
because there is a collision. This is normal happening.
Didn't happen.
Unanan sa kanan upang lumabas hanggang E1.
You see
North
that traffic
Luzon
up
Expressway,
ahead?
NLEX, Tabang Spur Road, West.
I'm making a video.
Why?
You just stay there. Can you stay there?
Why? Can you give
Stop over
your
for
white
Petron,
apple, Daddy?
like
No.
this one.
Pagkaraan ng 2
I want your
kilometro,
white apple, no one,
lumabas hanggang
Daddy.
E1, North Luzon
then there are a lot
Expressway,
of-
NLEX, Tabang Spur Road, West.
A lot of fast foods right there. There's no hassle, there's no problem about having a long trip, because there is a lot of stopovers, like you are going to pee or you're going to eat, or anything like your fuel consumption, or magpapakarga po ba kayo ng fuel. There's a horse, Dodong. See that horse is right there? Dodong, oh. There's a horse carried by a Ford Ranger also. There is another stopover here.
Deal mix. Ta 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 ta.
We are now in is it Bukawi, Bulacan? Philippine Arena. Marilao, Bulacan. We're now in Marilao, Bulacan.
Sa Hornets. Boom boom bim bim kazini.
Bukawi, Bulacan is about 2 kilometers. Philippine Arena 4 kilometers. Marilao is 5 kilometers. Marilao is Bukawi is part also of Bulacan. Bulacan is very wide place, you know.
Pagkaraan ng 700 metro, kumanan sa Taal Bacau.
Color.
Pagkaraan ng 700 metro, kumanan sa Taal Bacau Road.
Parking. If you are going to park by here, you should have to look for the designated emergency parking, like this one, and that one also. I got to be. They're using the emergency parking here.
Pagkaraan ng 700 metro, kumanan sa Taal Bacau Road.
So may tinutowing sila ngayon. Ito ay nadidiscuss siya.
Kumanan sa Taal Bacau
Tingnan niyo po. Discuss siya. So I got to be responded immediately, because it causes a heavy traffic. Keep right, Brian.
Ay, ito ang ganda yung ganda.
Bukawi, Bulacan is 1 kilometer ahead. Lagkas, Tamali, Bukawi, North Sagaray. Medyo lumuwag-luwag ng konti ngayon, ah.
Pagkaraan ng 700 metro, kumanan sa Taal Bacau Road. Pagkaraan ng 200 metro, kumaliwa.
I like that color of car.
Like
Like
that
that.
color, that
Yes, I like it.
like that red car.
No, it's Sedona orange. Bukawi is 500. Philippine
How about
Arena,
the
2
white car,
kilometers.
Daddy?
May Kawayan,
Like
Marilao.
the white car over here.
Yeah, like also. Toll Plaza. That's going to be exit of Bukawi, Bulacan.
Kumaliwa sa Governor
The right way.
F. Halili Avenue. Dalawandaang metro. Kumaliwa sa Governor F. Halili Avenue. Pagkaraan ng 200 metro. Kumaliwa sa Governor F. Halili Avenue.
Tollgate na eh.
Pagkaraan
Tollgate
ng
na, oh.
200 metro.
Go dog.
Kumaliwa sa Governor F.
Eagle.
Halili Avenue.
Ito.
Pagkaraan ng
Eagle.
200 metro.
Just the right.
Kumaliwa sa Governor
Tana, ay sa
F.
kas.
Halili Avenue.
Walay kas.
Nagkabutang
Pagkaraan
kasi.
ng 200
Yun yung
metro.
kag-brand.
Oh my god.
Kumaliwa sa
Is
Governor
that one,
F.
Daddy?
Halili Avenue.
Or
Pagkaraan ng
this
500
over them
metro.
that one?
Kumaliwa sa Governor
Eh, wala
F.
ba
Halili
problema? Cash ka
Avenue.
naman tayo card.
God.
You're going to pay that one. ETC. What do you mean by ETC?
With our
Stop
wine,
here.
Daddy, okay?
Okay. Going to prepare our cash right here. How much will be going to pay?
Studio. Wow, tadi atas.
Just ask it how much.
Tipo.
Asa kang tagaling?
Tarlac.
New Clark City. Ay, naman dia sa card siguro. Paano siguro ng card?
Oh, may balaan na naninig ko.
Oh my god.
Balaan na naninig kita ka. Oo. Tarlac. Nasa 621 ang class 1, class 2 1,400, class 3 1,800.
So magkano yung sa Tarlac?
Tulong man gud ni. Wala ko kasabot na nila class 1, class 2, class 3. Namoy class 3.
Tarlac is 621.
Sa class 1 niya. Class 2 1,400. Class 3 1,800. 61. Nasa 1,400 atong bayaran na. 1,400 kundi 1,800.
Hindi ka daw nga.
1418.
107.
Plus 3.
Isa ang nakabayad.
Daw. Ano daw?
This is the fair here in the
Yung lubot.
where are our what is our origin. So we exit here.
Daddy Robot.
Okay, so it's so hard or it's so big also.
How about a table?
Surrender this ticket.
How about
The ticket.
to Brian?
Brian,
Brian, Robot is me.
510 ba? Ay, wala sa
Diretso lang ng 11 minuto hanggang Smart Connect Interchange on ramp.
And
So
S. My butt is
Thank you.
we paid about 510 only. Salamat po. Thank you so much.
Ako atong niagi na kabayad at 700 kape na 1,000. Tapos siguro dito sunod.
I will still find it.
Awan niya ito ang
Street lang wala kailangang dalan.
Dumiretso lang ng 11 minuto.
Mura lang pala yung nabayaran natin is 510 only. Straight lang. Philippine Arena is going to be that way. Yes.
Philippine Arena.
Oh, Philippine Arena.
Side of Iglesia ni Cristo.
That is Philippine Arena. So seen over here. What? Up ahead, ladies and gentlemen, is Smart Connect Interchange on the road. Don't know what's that mean. Marilao, Bulacan is 500 meters. Marilao, Bulacan. Bulacan is very wide, ano? daming bayan na sakop ng Bulacan eh. Nandyan yung
Opo,
Pagbilao,
dili ang agyanan sa
Marilao,
Binangunan Rizal, dili.
Binangunan Rizal is a part of South Luzon bayan. Pulilan, yung San Miguel, Bulacan,
Nakamalaglag na.
yung ano pa ba yung ano ko dyan?
Ito na lang message.
Balintawak is how many?
14 na lang.
14 kilometers. Manila 23. Mikawayan 3 kilometers. Mikawayan is part of Bulacan also. I think that's the last town or the last place of Bulacan. Valenzuela, Inlex Harbor Link 9, Mikawayan, Valenzuela 7. Inlex South Balintawak right there. Mikawayan exit 20 meters. That one. You should watch fall for this one, for the signages, that you'll not be going to get out of nowhere, especially when you drive this first time here. What that means in Lake South Balintawak, Lingunan 2 kilometers. Straight ahead.
Lupat na gani.
It's 8.
Lupat 8.
It's 12, 13, 14.
Time now is 4:14 the afternoon, okay?
Sa lubot. Lupat.
You didn't get the water on mommy.
In Lake South Balintawak.
You didn't get the water on
Right to
mommy.
the right
Right,
front.
I'm sleeping.
We're heading the right way.
Arterial. I thought you arterial.
It's a bad word. I don't like it.
Paso di.
Paso de Blas, Valenzuela, Inlex Harbor Link, Balintawak, 8 kilometers only. Okay. So, malapit na po tayo sa Balintawak exit. It's 8 kilometers up ahead. Inlex connector.
No.
Another drive-through or stopover for the travelers like us. Las Valenzuela. Take in Lex Harbor Link Interchange West 2 kilometers. Paso de Blas, Valenzuela City, up ahead at the right way, at the right side.
There or there?
Next door, take Inlex Harbor Link, which is west 1 kilometer. Or to Manila, Mindanao Avenue.
Pinla doon kung kwarta pag-abot ako. Ang damo, 200 na kung kwarta pag-abot ko sa airport.
Pinagdaanan sa kanan upang lumabas sa kanan hanggang Smart Connect Interchange on ramp. Tapos manatili sa kaliwa. Daanan sa kaliwa upang manatili sa kaliwa hanggang Smart Connect Interchange Service Road. Tapos lumabas sa kanan hanggang E5, North Luzon Expressway, NLEX, East Mindanao Ave Exit. Lumabas sa kanan hanggang E5,
NLEX
North
at
Luzon
Balintawak,
Expressway, NLEX, East Mindanao Ave Exit.
Skyway, 2 kilometer.
Kilometers lang Balintawak.
Balintawak, 4
Pagkaraan ng
kilometers.
2 kilometro. Dumiretso lang sa E1, AH26 North Luzon Expressway.
Ayaw na dito
South.
pag Skyway ha kay paano ta, Balintawak ra ta. Skyway pa dulong na nag South Luzon Expressway.
Matakbag ka na dyan. Siyempre tayo sa taon eh.
Sipyat na din sa tauli.
Paano ito ka doon? Kaya balik ka. So nabalik ka din.
No.
Awag ito siya.
Sugaton tayo sa expressway.
With that one. Why?
Pagkaraan ng 1 kilometro, gamitin ang 4 na daanan sa kaliwa upang dumiretso.
Oh.
Nadaanan sa kaliwa.
4 na daan sa kaliwa upang dumiretso. Skyway 500 meters. Meron palang mga ano rito sa Skyway, hindi tayo mawawala.
Bagalan ang takbo.
Skyway, keep right.
Right ka man. Doon ka sa Skyway yun.
Di amin naglibog ni Mirna ato. May kani kay tama gid si Mirna. Usa pa busakat ani Merl. Sige. Oh sige dia yan. Naglibog ni kulba-kulbaan ko matama pag hindi mong giadto gikuanan. First time gud na ako ray nag-drive. Another Skyway here.
Asa ta?
Straight lang. Kanang right Skyway na.
Dumiretso lang sa E1, AH26 North Luzon Expressway, South.
Dire mo naglibog ato kung asa kung wagi. May ganit diri ko ni Agi Skyway. Welcome to Skyway Stage 3.
Pagkaraan ng 1.5
Nagigilihan na
kilometro,
nakalusot. Dito na gino.
dumiretso lang sa
Dito na
E1,
nagtakaon ka.
North
Kaya
Luzon
ang sa
Expressway,
backing.
South.
Uli na lang dito so.
Hurry up, Daddy.
Pagkaraan ng 1 kilometro,
Time.
dumiretso lang. Tapos lumabas sa kanan.
Wala pa. Mo left data Brian.
Tapos ililip ko lang. Pag naipin niya. Right. Dito sa kay katupak lang to compliment na itong litawak. Where are we going?
Straight lang, straight.
Basa na niya. Stop basta. Basa is only. Monumento Cubao. Dito ta. Bus na. Bus stop.
Philippine Rabbit na pa din ang Philippine Rabbit.
Dumiretso lang sa E1, North Luzon Expressway, South. Tapos lumabas sa kanan hanggang EDSA, South Entry, Quezon City.
And then is a expressway.
Straight lang ka.
Ha?
Straight lang ka. Straight lang.
Straight lang dito.
Straight lang galing.
Sumpay na ni sa mga kalsada dito.
Oh, Manila na ka, Cubao.
Lumabas sa kanan hanggang EDSA, South Entry, Quezon City.
Dito sa Quezon City na.
Can you go?
Ang ata sa Ayala.
Pagkaraan ng 200
Ayala.
metro, gamitin ang 2 daanan sa kaliwa upang manatili
Manila
sa
na tayo.
kaliwa hanggang
Ayala.
EDSA, South Service Road. Pagkaraan ng 700 metro,
Ay, si Brian sige kalit lang sigit-sagit. Kuyawan na yun.
Ang boot.
Ayala
What
mo.
ang boot white that one? Ang boot white that one?
This is now Metro Manila.
Inter man siya. Wait, dito. Dito mo inter.
Intis
No. Stereo
Apa dito yun?
Abod yan. Iya ka lang ba? Dito.
Oh, data.
Dito sa left.
Lepta.
Kita na tagawasan na tapos sigawa ni kay standby na ta.
Can you
Quezon City.
borrow your white phone, Daddy?
Wait.
Okay.
Hindi na kalamba. Entry Skyway. Stage 3 na pa day Skyway day diri po. So going to Kalamba. This is the Metro Manila right now. We are in Quezon
pagkaraan
City
ng 300
already.
metro, kumaliwa. Tapos kumaliwa.
Balik na sa akin.
Kumaliwa tapos kumaliwa.
Oh, balik U-turn. Exactly location is U-turn.
Straight lang ba yan? Straight lang. Oh.
Okay, straight pa. Unahan ng kaliwa.
Maliwa na
driving in Metro Manila.
Kumaliwa. Tapos kumaliwa sa 160
Wait lang.
A. Bonifacio Avenue, North.
Can you borrow
Kumaliwa sa 160
Daddy?
A.
Wait, oh.
Bonifacio Avenue, North.
What?
Sus Mario Yusef eh.
Pagkaraan ng 2.8 kilometro.
Makati
Lumabas hanggang Ito,
City Bus
Skyway, South Quezon Army Off-Ramp.
Katong Ayala, partita man itong Ayala, Quezon City to.
Oh,
Mas maayo pa sigong ni-utol ta kaya ito ta sa Ayala magulat.
dili na dito na ta.
Dito na ta.
Balitawak naman ta. Layo na kayo na.
Balintawak ko, padita niya agi sa Balintawak.
Wala pa lagi. Trekking
4
pa.
kilometers so daw to. Tapos na daw eh. Mansulti nag-asal.
Itawagan na yung mga doon na ba?
Hapit na to.
Ayun yan, this one, this one.
Abot na to sa Balintawak. Sa tagi sa kalugar sa Katawa.
Bukasan ka na.
Asam ka na ta.
Ay, di ko mag-guess.
Mana na tao. Liko na ta.
Pero ano katukay?
Mita tagi sa kalugar sa Balintawak. Kaya itong istambayan. Ato siyang sultian. Itong imong agaw nga. Nata diri.
Hmm. SMC San Miguel Corporation Infrastructure.
Tanawa. Sana.
Pagkaraan ng 2.2
Lain na itong
kilometro.
dala.
Pawala ta.
Lumabas hanggang Ito,
Sabay pa wala na to na dito.
South Quezon Army Off-Ramp.
Barrier man.
Skyway man to. Dira. Right?
Kapag right ito ani. Dili na pwede yun.
Akoy.
Kumanan.
Oh, manan dili pa man. Di pa man dito.
Kumanan sa 130 C3 West. Pagkaraan ng 700 metro. Manatili sa kaliwa.
Man sila mag-lain-lain man siya uguan.
Agian na gani siguro na itong Balintawak eh. Mas maayo. Kung Quezon City na gitong Ayala, mas maayo yun dito ta sa Ayala. Tawagan na to siya nana ta sa Ayala.
Pagkaraan ng 300 metro. Manatili sa kaliwa. Tapos kumaliwa.
Ano aso yung guide pa kanan? Mga pangalan no. Rojas, Mustal Road.
We're here now in St. Peter. Sa may welcome rotonda ng Espanya. Dito po kami ngayon. Hintay po kami sa sundo namin. Okay?